in a strange wilderness. We aim to please. We're going to try to track down the legendary chainsaw beast. He's just beyond the store. We have to be very careful. Kids, don't try this at home. We're going to have to kill the light. Let's make our way to the front of the cave. This is where the legendary chainsaw beast lives. So I think if I be quiet, you could hear me on this door. You viewers, but that really scared the shit out of me. We got so close to the jaws of the beast. If you're not careful, it'll keep you awake at night. Well, that's the end of this episode of Strange Wilderness. Signing off. Have a good one.